Hi, Adrian Godal here. I just bought my JBL EPX7 from Amazon, and I'm going to I just unbox it right now, and sadly I'm quite disappointed. Here's my voucher here. Just bought this JBL Pulse 3 IPX7 from Amazon right here. Damn it. Yep, it's quite pricey. It also has quite the pricey shipping. So I have been an Amazon customer for many years now. Now I'm going to assemble the charger. I'm going to assemble the charger right here. Yep. Charger. It also comes with the box. Okay. Now I'm going to charge it so that I can start charging my JBL so that I can already use this. So we're going to open it and then charge to the little juice. Alright, as you can see, there are lights. There are 5 beads here for light, which indicates that it must be lighting up. It indicates that you are successfully charging. Sadly, it is not lighting. Not lighting up. See, it's being charged. It's being charged, but it's not lighting up. Okay, I just bought this JBL speaker and it's not working. Even though I put it on charge, it's not lighting up. And when I press this little thing here, right here, the power source, press it and it won't start. It won't even open. So officially, my JBL EPX7 Charge 3 that I just bought from Amazon is a load of crap. It's junk. I can't even turn it on. I can't even use it. I paid a lot of money for this one, for the item and for the shipping, and I can't even use it. I'm so disappointed. I've been on Amazon for a year already. I'm an Amazon customer for a year already. I bought a lot of items from them, and this is the first time that I am very disappointed with Amazon. Damn. I would have to return this, and I would have to pay for the shipping. My gosh. I'm shipping crap. I'm shipping trash. I can't use this. Amazon, please fix this.